Today I'm going to show you how to replace the assembly, the taillight assembly here if it's gotten broken, or to replace the light bulb for your brake light or your blinker if one of those is burned out. This is a 2016 Toyota Sienna. This will work on most newer Siennas starting about year 2011 and newer. There's a couple little tricks. Let me show them to you, and then once you know the tricks, it's not hard to do at all. Welcome to Tomahawk DIY. I'm Mike. Let me show you how it's done. The first trick is undoing these two bolts. This is a 10mm socket. Now to get this light out, there's a couple tabs over on the side here. So we want to pull it straight back. Like that. You pull it gently, takes a little force. Don't pry it out like this. Let me show you why. Alright, you pull this straight back because there's a few clips. There's one here, there's another plastic clip up here, and there's a metal clip down there. You don't want to break any of these by trying to pry this thing outward. Now we're going to pull this out. It may take a little bit of work. There's a pin back here that helps hold this in. So we kind of slide it out, pop it like that. Now, if you need to replace your blinker, it's this one right here. Just give it a twist. You pull it out. And then to get your bulb out, my blinker's not dead, but that's how you'd use it. I'll include a link for Amazon where you can buy any of the parts you need, whether it be this whole assembly, if you've broken that, or any of the bulbs. I appreciate it if you purchase through that. Affiliate link sends a small commission to Tomahawk DIY, helps me keep making great videos to help people out. And then if you need one of the bulbs down here, here's your brake light. Same kind of thing. You just grab here, pull it straight out. Just like that. Very easy to do once you know the trick about these pins. Okay, if you're replacing this whole assembly, again, be sure you pick one up on Amazon. I appreciate that. You just simply push in and undo these clips. They can be a little finicky, but push right there. Once the wiring's out, you can put your whole new assembly on. Clips are pretty idiot-proof. They only fit in the correct spots. And that's how you replace the assembly, or how you replace your blinker or your tail light, your brake light. So we're going to slide this on just the opposite of how we took it off. Get in position, give it a good firm push. And now we put our two bolts back in. So there you have it. You've seen just how easy it is to replace this entire assembly if you need to, or simply to replace your blinker or your brake light if that's burned out. Again, I appreciate it if you purchase anything you need for this through Amazon. That small commission is appreciated. It helps Tomahawk DIY make more great videos to help people out. So thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe, and have a great day.